Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting recipe for you all. But before that, make sure to subscribe, like my videos, and share with all your friends. Otherwise, I'm not gonna share my recipe with you all.
Wait, we gotta see.
No. Make sure you like, subscribe, and then we're gonna continue. Alright?
Sounds good.
Alright, we're gonna move on to the recipe, and this recipe I am really excited about it because it is my childhood recipe. My mom used to prepare this food all the time, this salad. It's called Olivieh salad or salad Olivieh. It's a Russian salad which is so tasty. So let's get to the recipe and see what we have. I can't even express how much I love this Russian salad. So my first ingredient is chicken. We got some potatoes in here. I'm using about 4 of them maybe, or 3. Some onions. I have some pickles in here. Mayo. I have a few eggs. Some salt. Some pepper. Some garlic powder. And some lemon. Alright, so we are going to boil the chicken, the potatoes, and as well the eggs until they're soft. We're gonna come back and mix them all together, which is really easy. It's fast, quick. So let's get to the recipe. So we are going to boil the chicken. To get rid of the smell, we're just gonna add some lemon juice. We're gonna add some garlic and some onions. Some salt, some black pepper. We're gonna bring the chicken to boil until it's soft. So we're just gonna cover it, and moving on to the next, we're gonna boil our eggies. Perfect. Moving on to the next, I would just add some salt. While the chicken and the potatoes and the eggs are cooking, we're just gonna chop the pickles. So as you can see, the potatoes are done, and I have some leftover water. Just gonna try to get rid of the water. Perfect. So now we have to really let it cool down until we mix everything together. As you can see, the chicken is done. It took us about 40 minutes to cook the chicken. So now we're just gonna transfer it to the pot. And also you can keep the soup. So we have our chicken ready, and the only thing that we will do is just shred it. You can use your hands, you can use gloves, anything you like, but just be aware that it's hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Alright guys, so everything is ready, chopped and cooled down. So we are ready to combine everything together. So we got the potatoes, we got the eggs, the pickles, mayo, some spices, and we have the chicken. Alright guys, so as you can see, I like to season my chicken and potato first because it gives me an idea how the flavors comes out, because the pickles and the mayo has like its own flavor. So just before mixing, I like to know how it tastes. Alright guys, so this recipe is done, and as you can see it was nice and quick. It doesn't take so much time, and also you can eat this food in different ways. You can have with some kebabs or eat it as it is. It's super good just like that. And as well you can make some sandwiches, which is so beautiful at the same time. Yeah, it's really easy to make, so I hope you guys all enjoyed this fun recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and do all that. Thank you so much for watching. Until next video, bye bye.